Hey guys, welcome back. And I'm sure you are shocked of this picture, but we sold our sofas and now we don't have any living room furniture, basically. Yeah, but we're gonna get new ones really soon. We actually sold these ones very earlier than expected. So yeah, this is what we have to deal with. You know, when you want what you want, this is what you have to deal with. It's open, it's bright, it's echoey, you know. But yeah, we'll survive. It's just a matter of getting a new couch. I can see it over there. I can really see it. But yeah, we'll get one and I'll show you guys really soon how it's gonna look. I'm gonna redecorate this whole apartment, or this whole sitting room rather, first. And then yeah, we're gonna do that. I just wanted to show you guys how it looked, or how it looks now before we actually put in the new couch. We don't have any couches. I've actually made a love seat out of a pallet. If you can see, this is a pallet and I've made a love seat so that we can just chill and relax. We have no stress in this house, guys. So yeah, this is what I've done so far. This is my love seat and I think it looks gorgeous. I think I can keep this. I would love to do this in the balcony, but yeah. So the couches are ordered, so I'm just waiting on them. Just wanted to show you guys how this place looks with this love seat that I've created. It's actually really nice and really comfortable. I've put stacked blankets on there and I've put this fur carpet and lots and lots and lots of pillows, so it's really comfortable. So yeah, let me show you from this side. So it's like we have a bed in our living room, guys. So I'm showing you raw content. What happens when people don't have sofas, guys? This is what happens, okay? So don't hate, emulate. Don't even. Not everything is as what it seems, and I just want to show you raw content. And I'm not playing games, guys. We don't have sofas, and we're literally chilling on these things, and it's a vibe. I don't think there's a problem for now. It's gorgeous. I think it looks really beautiful. And that corner over there, that's what I've done. I think it looks really gorgeous. So this is how it is overlooking the TV. And we're on some chilled vibes, guys. We literally on some chilled vibes. We're not in competition. We're just, you know, doing us. And if it's gonna take like 2 weeks for us, it means that we are chilling on this couch. I mean, we still have a bed and everything else, so it doesn't really matter as long as I get this living room to what it needs to be. I can't wait. I'm sorry, guys, and yeah, Papa, I'm sorry. Like, I'm so excited. Like I visualize so much that as I'm showing you this picture right here, I can see my beautiful couches. I can see how this place is gonna look, and trust me. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to the channel and support your girl. And yeah, man, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.